Hello everyone, welcome back to Socio Programmer. I hope you guys are doing good and having a great time. So today I'm gonna brief you about the most popular microprocessor for robotics, that is Arduino. So let's begin. First of all, let us see what is a microprocessor. The simplest definition of a microprocessor can be a small chip which performs desired tasks very quickly. Now coming over to Arduino, and Arduino is nothing but your PC which is minimized to fit in your pocket. We generally program an Arduino so that it can perform desired tasks. Let's see what is really an Arduino. So this is the Arduino UNO board with 32 KB flash memory and 2 KB static RAM. These are the power ports from which we can supply power to the board. One is the USB type A port and other port is for 9V battery. This is the reset button by which we can erase all the code we have written and is currently on the board. This is somewhat like the factory reset or hard reset in smartphones. Coming over to the pins, pin number 13 to 2 are digital input and output pins. We can set the values of this pin high and low using our code. High value generally represents active power supply from the pin and low value indicates no current at all. Now moving forward to the analog pins, these are generally used for the modules which require analog current. We will use such modules in upcoming videos. Now these remaining pins are the power pins. Assume that we have to power something without any code. In that case we will use these pins. Here GND refers to the negative part which is usually used to complete the circuit. So these were the basics of the Arduino board. If you want to see this in action, subscribe to this channel, because in the next video I will tell you how to make a simple LED circuit using Arduino board. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one.